In this question, we have to find product of given sequential reaction. Now, in first step, alkene molecule is treated with dilute alkaline KMnO4. Now, cold dilute alkaline KMnO4 is called Bayer's reagent, and in presence of Bayer's reagent, syn hydroxylation reaction takes place. So, syndiol is formed as a product. Now, reacting this molecule with HiO4, so para-iodic acid oxidation takes place, and this molecule will be converted to dicarbonyl compound. So, after reacting with this, it will be converted to dicarbonyl compound. Now, this molecule is further treated with OH negative ion. Now, in presence of OH negative, intramolecular aldol condensation reaction will take place, and there is possibility of formation of 6-membered ring. So, now this will act as enolate and attack at this carbon. So, 6-membered ring is formed. So, 6-membered ring is formed. There is bond formation between first and 6th carbon. So, this carbonyl group will be converted to OH and CH3, and at second carbon carbonyl group is present. So, this is the final product form, and hence correct answer is C. A solution of 1-chloro-1-phenyl-ethane. Now, this molecule is 1-chloro-1-phenyl-ethane in toluene racemized slowly in presence of a small amount of SbCl5. So, in presence of SbCl5, now SbCl5 act as Lewis acid. It will abstract Cl negative ion, so it will be converted to carbocation PHCH3H. Now, this carbocation formed is planar intermediate. Now, it will again combine with SbCl6 negative. Now, Cl negative can approach from either of the side, in front side and back side. So, there is possibility of formation of equal amount of these two molecules, in which Cl is present towards viewer and Cl is present away from the viewer. Equimolar mixture of these two compounds are formed, hence solution will be racemic mixture, and this racemization is due to formation of planar intermediate carbocation, and hence correct answer is C. An organic compound A upon reacting with ammonia gives B, on heating B gives C, in presence of KOH react with bromine to give CH3 CH2 NH2. So, the given organic compound which will react with ammonia is CH3 CH2 COOH. On reacting with ammonia, this will be converted to its salt CH3 CH2 C double bond O negative NH4 positive. Now, this salt on further heating will converted to CH3 CH2 CONH2 amide after removal of water molecule. Now, this amide molecule on reacting with bromine and KOH, in presence of bromine and KOH, Halfman bromide reaction takes place, and it will be converted to amine along with formation of KBr and CO2, and hence correct answer is D. We have to use CH3 CH2 COOH, hence A is propanoic acid, and correct answer is D. An unknown alcohol is treated with Lucas reagent to determine whether the alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary, which alcohol react fastest, and by what mechanism. So, alcohols can be identified by Lucas test. Alcohol on reacting with HCl and ZnCl2 First converted to oxonium ion. Now after removal of water molecule, carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation will combine with Cl negative to form alkyl halide. Now since carbocation is formed in the reaction, so rate of reaction depend on stability of carbocation, and this reaction takes place via SN1 mechanism. During SN1 reaction, 3 degree alkyl halide is most reactive, then 2 degree alkyl halide, then 1 degree alkyl halide. So reaction is fastest when 3 degree alcohol is taken, and mechanism of the reaction is SN1, and hence correct answer is B, tertiary alcohol by SN1 mechanism. Ozone depletion in stratosphere is mainly caused due to chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbons form radicals, and these radicals combine with ozone molecule and they convert ozone into oxygen. So for depletion of ozone layer, chlorofluorocarbon are responsible, and hence correct answer is D. The transformation given below can be performed by, so when cyclohexanol molecule is treated with pyridinium chlorochromate, now it will act as mild oxidizing agent and it will convert alcohol into carbonyl compound. Now this carbonyl compound on treating with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr will convert carbonyl compound into tertiary alcohol CH3 negative, act as nucleophile, so it will be converted to tertiary alcohol, so OH and CH3, this product is formed. Now this product on reacting with dehydrating agent POCl3, now E2 reaction will take place, and after E2 reaction it will converted to alkene. So this is the final product form. So in first step we have to use PCC, then Grignard reagent, and then POCl3, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find the number of stereoisomer possible for the molecule. Now this molecule is having total 3 stereosite, 1 chiral carbon at which Br is attached, another this stereosite around which geometrical isomerism is observed, now this chiral carbon and this chiral carbon. So total 3 chiral carbon and 1 stereosite for geometrical isomer. So total number of stereosites around which stereoisomerism is observed is equal to 4. So total number of stereoisomer are equal to 2 raised to power n, where n is equal to number of stereosites, and this formula can be applied when molecule is unsymmetrical. Now this molecule is unsymmetrical, so total number of stereoisomer 2 raised to power 4. So 16 isomers are possible. How many molecules of Grignard reagent are consumed in the above given reaction? Now first, one Grignard reagent is used here, and it will convert carbonyl compound into ketone, and then another R negative will attack and which will convert ketone into tertiary alcohol. So two equivalents of Grignard reagent are used to convert acid chloride into tertiary alcohol. Now one Grignard reagent R negative will use to convert this ketone into tertiary alcohol, so one equivalent at this point, and one equivalent of Grignard reagent is used to convert aldehyde to 2 degree alcohol. So total 4 equivalents of Grignard reagents are used, and hence correct answer is 4.